Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 and carve your own path as a freelancer? I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Toptal account and set up your profile to start landing those dream gigs. First things first, head over to the Toptal website. Look for a button that says Apply as a Freelancer. It's usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on that button to kick things off. Now, you'll be greeted with the application form. This initial step is all about providing some basic information. You'll need to enter your name, email address, and choose a strong password. Make sure your email is one you actively check. Next steps include your country of residence and your areas of expertise. Select skills that best represent you, be that software development, design, project management, or finance. After the initial information, you'll be guided through a brief skills test and a questionnaire. Toptal uses these steps to assess your skill set in relation to the job offers they advertise. Take your time and answer thoughtfully to reflect your capabilities. At the end, you have to agree to the Toptal contract. Congratulations, you're now in your account. It's now time to build your freelancer profile. And in Toptal, that means adding a professional profile picture, writing a detailed bio that showcases your skills and experience, and definitely linking to your portfolio to highlight your best work. Setting up your profile correctly will have you seeing job offers in no time. Remember, a complete and compelling profile is your key to getting noticed. That's it. You've created your Toptal account and are well on your way to becoming a successful freelancer. Good luck.